My name isนของ I'm from the Department of Biomedical Engineering, Faculty of Engineering, Chulalongkorn University. I'm very glad that you could come today. The title of this presentation is, the piezoelectric resistive, the recently force sensor. This presentation has divided into 5 parts. Firstly, the definition of piezoelectric resistive sensor. Secondly, what does it make from? Thirdly, usage. Fourthly, application. And finally, advantages versus disadvantages. This presentation will take 10 minutes of your time. If you have any questions, please ask me at the end of my presentation. Well, I would like to bring you to the first part of my presentation. The definition of piezoelectric resistive sensor. Piezoelectric resistive sensor is the one type of sense gauge, which based on the pressure or force conversion into the electrical resistive variation. Let's move to the second part. What does it made from? It's made from the semiconductor, so it has a very sensitive response more than the normal metallic sense gauge. Nowadays, piezoelectric resistive sensor is widely used in industrial business, engineering labs, science labs, medical instruments, and so on. In engineering and biomedical engineering, it commonly used for a sensor to measure the temperature, so it used to develop the device of temperature measurement. It used to make the sensor in shoe system, which makes the sensor in the insole of the shoe to measurement the temperature when walking or standing, and it used to make like a force plate to apply a plate like a rectangular, and it covered on the floor, and it had a sensor to detect which determine the pressure and the position of walking of human. And other application, it used to make a socket checker, which used to determine the compression area in socket, which cause the stump pain in disability. Let's bring to the final part, advantages and disadvantages. In a few examples that I talk later, past, and it will have many advantages, such as its easy adjustable design for suitable the inventive goal. Let's back to the temperature measurement device. It's used to make a sensor in insole system, because insole system needs a very thin and small sensor. So the piezoelectric resistive technology is used to complete the sensor for effectively to measure in the foot pressure. Another advantage, it has good sensitivity and promoted fine data. On the other hand, it's very expensive because it uses a high technology to make a sensor. And the important thing, it has a temperature sensitivity effect, because the high temperature leads to the electrical ion transferring in strain gauge that is called and that is called untimely movement of the ion. So the capacity of the electrical will decrease. If you want more information, you can search for this source. Are there any questions?